Welcome to Product Critique, and today, we're diving into what might just be the best AirPods Pro ear cover on the market. If you've ever struggled with finding the perfect ear tips for your AirPods, especially if you want them to fit perfectly and deliver excellent sound quality, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the YUWAKAYI replacement ear tips for AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2nd generation. First, let's discuss the fit. These ear tips are designed specifically for the AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2nd generation, ensuring a seamless connection with your headphones. Unlike other universal ear tips, these silicone replacements will stay put and provide a secure fit. You won't have to worry about them slipping out or becoming loose during use. Plus, they fit perfectly into the original AirPods Pro charging case, which is a real bonus for anyone who wants a hassle-free experience. What sets these ear tips apart from others is the added noise reduction feature. Each tip has two noise reduction holes on the side, mimicking the original AirPods design. This feature helps to preserve the sound isolation that AirPods Pro are known for, enhancing the overall listening experience. Whether you're in a noisy environment or just want to enjoy your music without distractions, these ear tips are designed to keep unwanted sound at bay. Durability is also a key consideration when choosing ear tips. YUWAKAYI's ear tips are made using a one-piece molding process, making them strong and resistant to wear. Additionally, the tips have built-in dust meshes, keeping any unwanted particles out of your AirPods while also preventing sweat from seeping in. This means that not only do they stay clean, but they also last longer than standard ear tips. Another bonus is the included 3-in-1 cleaning pen. It's a handy tool that comes with multiple tips, a metal tip, a soft brush, and a flocking sponge brush. So you can keep your AirPods and ear tips looking brand new. It's an added value, especially if you've ever found it tricky to clean your AirPods properly. You'll get 3 pairs of ear tips in small, medium, and large sizes, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your ears. This means no more frustration with trying to make generic ear tips work. YUWAKAYI has you covered, no matter your ear size. And if you run into any issues, their customer service team is responsive and ready to help. All in all, the YUWAKAYI replacement ear tips for AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro 2nd generation are a must-have accessory for anyone who wants better sound quality, comfort, and durability from their AirPods. With their perfect fit, noise reduction features, and built-in cleaning tools, these ear tips make sure that your AirPods stay in top shape, both functionally and aesthetically. If you're looking for the best replacement ear tips for your AirPods Pro, you can't go wrong with this option. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more product critiques right here on Product Critique.